In this video, we are going to solve this nice exponential equation, but where should we start the solution? To start the solution, first I'm going to take this x to the right hand side to have both variable terms one side. Then I'm going to take this 9 to the left hand side to have both constant term one side. So here we go. To do this, first I'm going to raise both sides to the power of 1 over x. So it is going to be, let me write it here, left hand side, which means 3 to the power of x raised to the power of 1 over x equals right hand side, which means x to the power of 9 raised to the power of 1 over x. To continue the solution, I'm going to follow this exponential rule that says a to the power of m raised to the power of n equals a to the power of m times n. So our left hand side is going to be 3, our base to the power of first exponent x times second exponent 1 over x equals right hand side, our base x to the power of first exponent, which means 9 times second exponent 1 over x, right? Let's see what is this. Left hand side, I write this base. This x and this x cancel off, so our left hand side is 3 to the power of 1 or 3. Right hand side, I write the base x, 9 over x. Until here, good job. We have both variable term one side, right side. Now we need to take this constant term, which means 9, to the left side. To do this, I'm going to raise both sides to the power of 1 over 9. So let's see what do we have here. Left side, which means this 3 to the power of 1 over 9 equals right side, which means x to the power of 9 over x raised to the power of 1 over 9. I write our left hand side without any change. So 3 to the power of 1 over 9 equals right hand side, the base first exponent 9 over x times 1 over 9. And what is this? Again, our left hand side, no change, 3 to the power of 1 over 9 equals right hand side, base x. This 9 can be cancelled off. So here we have 1 over x. Nice. We have both variable terms one side, both constant term left side. So what should we do now? Look, right hand side. To continue the solution, I'm going to work on this right hand side, which means x to the power of 1 over x. What is this? This is in the form of something to the power of 1 over itself. So I'm going to make this form for our left hand side. How can we do this? 1 over 9. What is 1 over 9? I am going to multiply both top and bottom by this number, which means 3. 1 times 3, top, we have 3. 9 times 3, 27. So 1 over 9 is same as 3 over 27, right? So our left hand side is going to be our base to the power of 1 over 9 or 3 over 27 equals right hand side, now no change, 1 over x. Next, what do we have here as exponent? 3 to the power of 27, I mean this exponent. It is same as, it can be written in the form of 3 times 1 over 27. So let me rewrite this one. Instead of 3 over 27, it is going to be our left hand side, we have our base to the power of 3 times 1 over 27, and our right hand side, no change. I write it x to the power of 1 over x. Right? Now, what is this? A to the power of m times n can be written in the form of a to the power of m, first exponent, raised to the power of n, second exponent. So our left hand side, base 3 to the power of first exponent, which means 3 raised to the power of 1 over 27, right? Right hand side, no change. X to the power of 1 over x. Good job. Now, what is this? All you know. 3 to the power of 3 is 27 raised to the power of 1 over 27. Our left hand side. Right hand side. X to the power of 1 over x. Look this carefully. What do we have? Left hand side equals right hand side. Also, base and exponent left hand side are equal. Base and exponent, no, we cannot say they are equal. Base 27, exponent is 1 over 27. Base x, exponent is 1 over x. So from this we can get result, this exponent must be equal to this exponent, right? So from this I write 1 over 27 equals 1 over x. Next. Base must be equal this base. So I write 27 equals x. From both cases, we can get result. The value of x is 27. And this is our correct answer.